1. Cat in the house. It is believed that the cats have the healing power that takes away all the pains and negative energies from the home and life of the owners. 2. White flowers in the vase. The white color flowers, especially the white tulips, have the divine power to absorb the negative energy and cleanse the space from any negative vibes. Put the flowers in a vase or pot in your beautiful home. Just remember to change the flowers and water regularly. 3. Simple salt. It is believed that salt will attract and absorb the negative energy from the space. Sweep up the salt and wash it under running water to clean your home from any bad omen. 4. Essential oils for happy health. Oils are the extracts of natural plants and flowers. It has got fresh fragrance and benefits of nature that has the power to absorb and eliminate the negative energies from your mind and body, increasing your health and happiness. Keep the oils in your amazingly beautiful bathrooms and use it after bath. 5. Aloe vera. We all know about the medicinal benefits of aloe vera, but maybe we all are not aware of its magical power. Well, aloe vera is a beautiful decorative plant which has the power to absorb negative energies from the environment and exude fresh air filled with positive vibes. Make it a point to add aloe vera in your fresh and beautiful indoor garden to enjoy its benefits. 6. Purity of candles. The candles burn to spread light and melt away the negative energy from the space. Light the candles in the evening to burn the negative vibes from your home. If it is a fragrant one, then its aroma will fill your home and mind with peace and tranquility. 7. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, especially oranges and sweet limes, have the power to absorb negative energy from its surrounding. Some people insert cloves into the skin of the fruits to further enhance the cleansing process. 8. Images and statues of gods. Even if you are an atheist, there is no harm in keeping the images and statues of gods in your home. Keep it and feel the positive vibes all around. Drop us a like and make sure to subscribe.